I have had the pleasure of having Suzanne as a tutor on the Bar Professional Training course at City Law School. I find Susan's way of teaching, she's a very good critic, and I learned the hard way around her teaching styles to improve myself, to be better. I was well challenged by Suzanne, and I found her teaching methods really excellent. I most definitely would recommend the workshop to friends to attend, because it's an excellent learning environment where you'll learn about preparing yourself for writing an excellent essay. It will help you successfully plan your essay and give you some really good pointers and good tips.